Welcome, everybody. It is time for our next session right now with Mr. Mahesh Darashivkar from Best Point. Mahesh will be talking about hedge fund management opportunities. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Mahesh before he comes up to the stage. He's responsible for institutional and HNI sales in Asia and Europe. He's a financial and marketing professional. He's got over 16 years of experience in foreign exchange. And he's going to be talking more about that right now. So please put your hands together and let's welcome up onto the stage Mr. Mahesh Darashivkar.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today I will introduce about our company, Base Point Capital House Limited, which is registered in Mauritius. We provide hedge fund services. About us, we are regulated by Financial Services Commission, Mauritius, for global business license under FSA 2007 and an authorization to operate as a collective investment schemes under Security Act 2005. Okay, also an authorization to operate as an expert fund user regulation, the Security Collective Investment Skills Regulation 2008. These I am talking about the Regulations Act, which we have already done registrations under. We provide hedge fund services to HNI clients, like the ticket size of this client is 100,000 plus. You can directly transfer the funds to our custodian account where the funds can be get managed. Okay, so very shortly we are planning to launch a short ticket size accounts also for custodian accounts in Switzerland, you can say. And currently we are having in Mauritius. Okay, and here we have already launched a fund opportunity program for the fund managers. Okay, in that particular program, we provide funds to the fund managers depending upon their track records. If the track record is good, then we can gradually increase the capital or equity, you can say. We will increase the equity as per the track record or as per his performance. Okay, then secure fund manager profit with bank auto credit mode. Okay, this service we provide to the fund managers who are doing fund management for their clients. They doesn't require to make a request to the clients for their profit. Okay, but they can directly get their profit credited into their bank accounts. Then very shortly we are planning to launch a secure crypto in banks. You can park your crypto assets in your bank. Okay, this is a new concept, you can say, because currently where you park your assets are in wallets or exchanges only. But you can park your crypto assets in bank also. Okay, that service is also provided by us. Then fund security, segregated accounts under top 10 investments banks we provide. Then liquidity through top 10 banks directly. Doesn't require any middleman in that particular project. Okay. Secure losses, exclusive hedging plans we have. With the help of hedging, you are not going to lose any money. Okay. Trade on indices, forex, metals, stocks, because we have a broking partner with us also. Secure trading account with assets, and the wonderful affiliate program is also there. Okay, anything else? We have a stall over here. So if you need anything else, more information, you can visit in our stall. Thank you. Thank you, guys.